Exercise 18, spots and lips. Let's zoom in tight and we'll go for the spots first. We'll take our spot healing tool, right, there we go, and we just click. And what Photoshop has done is they've gathered the pixels from around the outside of our selection and pulled it into the selection to remove the spots. So the trick here is to go in rather tight. You don't want to use a huge brush, putting the program under strain to try and understand what you want to achieve. So you come in nice and tight, we make our brush to fit the spot and click and go on. And when you zoom out, it really is an awesome tool. It's a great improvement. In the old days we used to use the clone stamp, which we had to select the area that was close to what we wanted, hold down the Alt key, when the cross wires appear, click your mouse and then go over and click, and it was a clone stamp. Of course, when you've got children around the house, this is a fantastic tool, because let's take the eye here, hold down Alt, we get our crosshairs, we click, and now we can start painting. And you see the crosshair down to the bottom right. That's what we're actually painting. And we can now actually take the whole eye and paint it in. And of course this is something the kids love, and you can have a lot of fun with it. And don't forget, if you go too far and go mad, all we do is we go and collect our history brush. And we just tell the history brush to put back what was there before. And if we've got a soft brush, we can actually blend it in quite nicely. And you can have a lot of fun with this tool. But now we're really deviating, but this is just fun. When it comes to the lips, what we want to do is select the lips. Now, to select these lips are not going to be easy. So let's think about it. In all the things we've done so far, I would say the easiest way to select them right now would be to use our mask. So we'll go into quick mask, we'll go and select a brush, and we will make the brush a little bit bigger to start with, and we trace the outline of the lip. We don't want to go over the teeth, we only want the lips. Now we'll make a brush a lot smaller and we'll go finish off into the corners. And just click and drag. Hold the click and we'll start at the bottom here with the corners. And we must make sure we fill it, otherwise we're going to end up with gaps. And we don't want gaps. And use your zoom, because your zoom makes your life a lot easier. Now we can increase our brush size somewhat. Now I'm going to work a lot faster. Not going to worry too much about accuracy at this stage. There we go. And if we swap our colors, look what happens. We brush away. So if we've gone over the teeth anywhere, we can just swap black and white and take it away. Right, we have our area selected. We click on the quick mask tool again, and there we've left that piece, but let's not worry about that at this stage. What I want to show you is we have this selected, but so is that. So we've selected from here to there. We have everything but the lips. So we must go to select, and we must inverse our selection. Now we only have the lips. Alright, lips are selected, and we can go to a lasso tool, something like that, and we can say add to selection, and we can quickly just pull that into our selection. Now we're going to Control J up just our lips. There they are. On that layer we're going to go Control hue to hue and saturation. We're going to colorize, and we're going to change our hue to a red. We're going to saturate the red, and then we can change the lightness, so we can go dark, real goth, or we can go lighter. And what we can do is just find a nice tone to give it a little bit of a nice red there. I'm happy with that. Now it looks a little bit messy, but wait till we zoom out. Stunning. Isn't that brilliant? So even though you should work very, very tight, if you do make a little faux pas here and there, it's not so noticeable. Once you've zoomed out and you print your image, you won't even see it. But using these methods, we haven't lost our texture. We haven't painted over the image. We've kept the texture of the lips, and that is what you want. And you can use exactly the same technique on the eyes. We would use our layer mask, brush the eyes, copy it up, colorize it, make them blue, whatever you like. And there it is. This is a very powerful method to just do simple little touches to beautify somebody. Thank you.